Hello, it looks to me like you are stuck in round number 8. So let me show you what we're doing here. We are placing stitches in between stitches. Also, we're decreasing here in the valley. So in the valley, you will be skipping 2 stitches. You place one here and you skip 2 and you place here. But you will be actually making 2 stitches together. Okay, so let me show you how this is done. We are using half double crochet stitches in this round. So I make my 7 in between stitches. I went to the valley. Now I will place, see, that's my 7. And now we are making half double crochet 2 together with skip 2. So once I have 2 loops, I'm skipping 2 and I'm placing in between stitches, not on the top of the stitch, in between. It's kind of like a row below, and you're making additional half double crochet up to this point. Once you have 3 loops, you close that stitch. And now we will be repeating, going up to the point, 7 half double crochet stitches in between stitches. So that's my 1, 2, 3. So you're not working under front and back loop, you're going in between stitches. Just like that, and the last one. And you repeat the same process, and in the chain space you just made 3 half double crochet stitches. And that's it. I hope this information was helpful. Continue working. So again, 7 down, 2 together would skip 2, and 7 up. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy crafting!